So in this RBC Mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for a credit card on the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up the RBC app, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom right and press on the More button. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down to where it says Open an Account and then press on that under Products. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down to the fourth option to where it says Credit Cards, Make Purchases and Earn Rewards. Press on that. Once you're on the credit cards page, which is loading right now, it'll show you a bunch of different credit cards that you can sign up for. So there's the most popular ones right here. You can go to a travel rewards card if you're looking for that, like an RBC rewards card, a cashback card, a no fee card, a low interest card, a student credit card. And if you just want to view all the cards, go to the bottom or top right, press on all cards, and then you can proceed that way. So for example, if you just wanted to sign up for, let's just say the RBC Ion Plus Visa card, you can press on View Card right here. Once you're here, you can check out the annual fee, the purchase rate, etc. You can go through the card highlights, and if all looks good, you can press on the blue apply button and then follow the steps that way. So if you want to sort of see what different cards have to offer, you can just go ahead and keep scrolling down. If you wanted to for example, maybe the RBC Cashback MasterCard, you can press on this view card right here, view the different stuff, the card highlights, and then you can apply that way. So a variety of different cards that you can apply for or sign up for. So make sure you guys are going through and checking out all of them. And if you find one that you want, as I mentioned before, press on that. So if you wanted to one more time, we'll just use this card right here, the WestJet RBC MasterCard. We'll press on View Card. If you like it, press on Apply Now, and then follow the steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward, but this is how to sign up for a credit card on the RBC Mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.